おお。
行きましょうか。景品合ってる。
景品。最後外れみたいな。でもあれやでビール入ってんね多分。
ビールは最高や。
最高。
当たりですね。
ありがとう。おお。早い。かっくん、ハッピーファーダーズデー。ははは。We arrived. Today we came back to the river, one of our favorite river spots. From 2 years ago we found this spot, and it's in Hashimoto City, in Wakayama. There's no many people usually. The most is one family or so, and oftentimes there's no other people. And the river is clean, and we can also cook and eat here. You will see more of the river later. So we find a spot which looks safe, children safe, but we have a lot of things to carry down, so this is a method my husband come up with. This is our speaker. We always carry it and play music. Look. Shh. We have a barbecue stove, and table, speaker, food, ingredients, tapparin, a fishing net, and a tent, and some more smaller tents.
Back on the knife better.
Okay na.ほんまや、服着替えたのに。
一回せ連れて帰って。おいしい。髪すごいな。
え？髪？そうやろ。一番黒黒やねん。
Oh. You remember them country style? So, we have charcoal, you know, but we use the wood fire. Like, we mix it because we want the charcoal and to sustain for burn long, but we want the flavor from the wood fire. I don't know if you notice, when you cook on wood fire, you get a wood flavor. You know, why if you don't want it? They get a smoke flavor. Seems so.
So we met a nice family with 4 children, father and mother. So they are taking care of our children. And they seem to know a lot about this river and this spot. So they created some a little area with rocks, so small children can play safely. So we thank them for that very, very much. You crush garlic.
So the garlic is the extra flavor. Garlic have a lot of flavor, and plus I put some curry in the oil to also get flavor. You know, people know curry also have a curry theory that if you burn the curry in the oil, you don't get any reaction. You know, because some people react to curry. Yeah, so right up on the beach, go on with a speech. I joke me I make more there, I go and chill, I go and build, I go and light up a skull skill. So I finish extracting flavor from the garlic, so I'm going to remove it now. The fire not really kick as I want it, but it will go on a little. It soon pick up. But I can now start to put in the meat and one thing. Usually I would do it different still. I would put in the onion alone, but sure, I don't have enough time. Just put in all of the seasoning. Cool, so now you want to fry it a little and get a different kind of texture and flavor, and later you can add some water, just a little water. Cook it down some more and put on the cover and everything.
Kaka, お水入らへんの。Kaka, お水入らへんの。River? I know. お姉ちゃんやっぱ遊んでくれたな。ならどうですか？寒いけど楽しもうとしてる。おお。早い。The river flow kind of fast around here, but it's a good way to play in a tube. A little risky for small children, but it's good under supervision like these big kids. Nice girls.
Arigato, Kaka. Arigato.
Kakun shibari. Kakun寒い? 服着る? 服着る? 着ないの。あ、そう。 じゃあどうすんの？ What's your plan, かくん？
Yeah, so got a bubble, but the fire not kick as strong as I want it. But you know, so bad still, but again, it's to improve. In the meantime, though, the pot need a little water. So I just a little and stir. Continue going cooking, see?
No, Kakun joined Nala. He was actually afraid, but you know he always want to do what Nala do. So he said, "Okay, I'm going." Then the girls and the boy helped him, assisted him, and they went.
So, I make some cartwheel dumpling and drop, and we now make them so big. Make some small dumpling. Because the children have to enjoy it. If it's too big, I'm not gonna like it. So, besides, we only have a small pot. Very small pot. I don't know how it's going to hold so much things. So that's why I decide to roast the corn now. Come on, so we just done make some dumpling and some corn, the potato here. So I'm about to remove the potato now. But I do some roast corn, but I run out of time, man. I'm not bother on the roast corn for today. So we eat this. So only thing missing now is the curry. The curry already ready, so we're going to do some serving now. Alright, so it's finished now. Put back the curry on the fire make it keep warm. So we finish everything still. Mom said I look for Reka. Reka busy behind the camera, but she's there still. See? See, so beautiful. Look a river. See? See? We're on a mountain. Earlier we see a deer. A little pretty deer. See, some people building a house on the bank and things. Like the river so beautiful and now after left. Cool. So I'm gonna do some eating now. I'll show you more of our food and things. See?
So after a long time of playing in the river now, they are eating the food. Oishii, Kon? Nara? Samai? Samai, yeah. So she finally admit that it's cold, but she has been shivering but still wanting to go to the water. Kakun wa? Mou samuku nai? Samuku nai? And he came out of the water earlier and changed his clothes, enjoying his food now. Oh, they love corn, but curry must be nice too, you know. And Papa-chan doing the last part of sharing and decoration.
Alright, that video.
By the way, today is the Father's Day.
Oh.
Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Arigato. Happy Father's Day to everybody out there. See? Keep doing it good. You don't understand.
あ、父の日おめでとうございます。
Oh yeah.
So this one is my plate. Looks perfect, right? Red, green, and yellow. good. While Marvin was cooking, children were playing in the river, and I thought it was gonna be really cold, but children enjoy the water and they spend time in the water for hours. And the food was ready, and curry chicken really good. It has a lot of different seasonings, and it was really spicy. Also, maybe the spiciest ever that Marvin has cooked before, but actually children were enjoying it and I was enjoying it. We had to come back to the river to cool off because it was so spicy. That's where we are now. One more time, Happy Father's Day! Eh?
Happy Father's Day.
Kakon. Kakon.
Nah, Kakon.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Kakon, Happy Father's Day. Ha ha ha. Kakon said, Happy Father's Day, I love you more.
Love you, Papa. So we'll try it out, you know. Like, reach up there. Because we'd have to travel all the way around there. Climb up over a bank and climb on one step. But that's too big. So we just soldier it out. We just put some string on. MacGyver. Who know MacGyver? You don't know MacGyver, you know 007. You don't know 007, you know Iron Man. Maybe not exactly the same thing, but to some extent. The main idea is that they make things work out a little smarter. So I don't know none of them things. I just say, today, feel a little accomplished. Good?
So they're helping us again.
いや、力いるな、これ。
軽いやつ。なんか、何やったっけ、こういうさ、商品が当たるやつあるやん。
あるある。なんか100本引きみたいな。
そうそうそう。1000本引き。
100本になってる。
うわ。あとなんか形状的にも難しいんですよ。引っかかるんですよ。結構工夫しないとあかん。なんか下ろす時も結構止まっちゃって。おお。ゲット。Ready? Okay. 行こう。
やらせて。
おお。ワンモア？あ、ここに準備がもうできてる。すごいな、チームワークがもう。Everything gone。うんうん、OK。じゃああれはもう手で持ってくると。OK。
Okay. See you.
See you.